If you're currently running an SMMA, here is how to increase your revenue very, very quickly without having to run paid ads or go out and find new clients or even use referrals. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe to this video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So first things first is first link in the description. I recently just, updated the price for six-figure agency accelerator. It's a lot cheaper now. It's under $100. You guys go in and grab it. And also you get Facebook group access with me. So I just want to really put that out there in case you've been wondering, because it was like 500 something. And I just increased the price for a little bit just to see if there's new demand. But number one thing that you can be doing right now to increase your revenue faster than ever with your SMMA is email and SMS right now. Okay, so first things first is your email and SMS needs to be an upsell once you've proven that the client is getting results. Okay, a lot of people just want to spend a bunch of money in ads. I mean, I do, but if you don't have a crazy amount of money, you can't just be going out and spending new money and churning and burning and always spending new money on a new customer. You need to be able to take those current customers that are 2K, 3K, 4K a month and say, hey, listen, you're getting results. So here's the best way for you to get even more results, because the best two upsells in any business are faster or better results and more of the same. So if they're running Facebook and Google right now, you should be upselling TikTok, Snapchat ads. If they're running just Facebook, you should be upselling Google, TikTok, and Snapchat. If they're, there's so many different ways that you can navigate that. So email and SMS is gonna be huge, because the way that I always pitch it is like, hey, you have over 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 emails by now. You should be making an extra 15% to 25% every single month with email and SMS as a service in the back end. And we do it all for you. We set up the flows, the automations. We do, 3 to 5 daily campaigns every single week that, our email blast to your whole list, pushing them to your calendar, pushing them to a new product, pushing them to the same product again and getting more, giving them a certain discount or whatever the case may be. Also, they get their abandoned cart flows, their welcome sequence, their customer win back, browse abandonment automations. They get all these things so that they can now take their current buyers and scoop up, sometimes an extra 10 to 20 bucks a buyer over a 30-day, 60-day, 90-day basis. And that's kind of how I pitch it. Because you're currently spending money on ads to get every customer, but what if you can get extra 20 bucks out of them over a 30-day, 60-day, 90-day basis? That means you can increase your ad spend a little bit more on your CPAs, scale further, and get more higher LTV buyers in your ecosystem, which also frames Facebook to find better people. And just make sure that, you have the tracking set up. We recommend you use Triple Whale. Triple Whale is a great tracking software for making sure that your CRMs and your email and all of that are tracked so you know the customer journey. So that's the first upsell, is email and SMS. Second thing is going to be social media management or social media growth, whatever you want to classify it as. It's not the biggest niche right now, but just taking over the client's organic, because when you take over their paid, most of the clients are just doing now their organic. So editing TikTok videos for them, Instagram Reels, their images, like having that service is going to take more off their plate, so that they can now focus on more things in a business, either closing more deals or increasing revenue, customer retention, more branding, press, like all these different things, right? So taking more stuff off the client's plate that makes sense, because now if the client's not doing it, they're not bottlenecked in it, and now you can do more than they are based on their proven concept. So social media management and growth is number 2. Number 3 is going to be a combination of SEO and press. So you can say to the client, hey, listen, your e-com store is crushing it. Hey, your credit repair offer is crushing it. Let's get you published in certain articles. Give yourself more social proof. We can add it to the landing page, increase conversion rates. Adding press has been shown to increase conversion rates by upwards of 40%. So, having that boost is definitely gonna be worth it. And then the second piece is SEO. Yes, you're running paid ads and you're getting that predictable traffic, but if you ever want to sell this company or you want to exit years down the road, then you need something that has organic traffic kicking in every single day. And when you do so, you are able to not just make more money, but organic buyers are usually way more warm. So now you're having a higher AOV. You have an AOV boost, higher LTV boost, more loyal customers who searched you and found you and made a buying decision without an ad. And now you're also filling up your email list with new people. And at the same time, if you want to exit the company, 3 to 5 years down the road, you can now bring to the table that you're getting 500 to 1,000 visitors a day organic, not even paid ads, who are consistently buyers. So having that kind of asset is the way that I pitch that as well. So those are the 3 things right now that you could be upselling to increase your revenue very, very quickly within your SMMA. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope these tips are helping you guys out. like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.